This wouldn't have been a freaking YouTube video if shit didn't go the right way. Guys, welcome back. Good morning. It is a beautiful Monday morning. Today's a fantastic video. Hope you guys stay tuned. But let's get a freaking pop-up startup on the G35. I'm going to school today. First day of school again of the week. Also, quick cut. If you guys ever feel like you're getting bored, just feel free to skip to the video where I actually assemble the wheels. No need to watch the whole beginning of the video. I don't think nobody on YouTube does that. So just give you guys a little warning. But if you guys want to see me rev my car in front of a parking lot where there's a lot of sound, hey, enjoy the video. A cold startup and head to school. All right, here we go, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear the startup. Oof. Didn't get to use her all day yesterday, but today we are going to be using her plenty. Alright guys, for everyone who's new, welcome to the channel. This is BeDistinct. Thank you guys. I appreciate last video. Thank you guys. You guys killed it. I think we got around like more than 15 likes on the video. So if we can hit above 15 likes on this video, I would appreciate y'all guys even more. You guys are freaking awesome. We're killing the game. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Today is finally the day we get to put our wheels on. We've been waiting over weeks. We had to wait for everything. Wheels, tires, lugs, the hub rings. But we finally got everything. And I must say, guys, the shipping on every single item was absolutely on the game. Yo, literally 2-day shipping max on every single thing. Tires freaking came in like 2 days later, and I got an extra 2 sets of tires. Freaking the wheels 2 days later. The hub and the hub rings and the lugs next day shipping. Absolutely insane. Killed the whole game. Today we're actually my friend's gonna come with me because he has a truck and I can put all this stuff in there because there's no way I'm gonna fit 4 wheels and 4 tires in this tiny ass car. So we're gonna bring his truck. But right now I have a class. I have more college classes later in the day, but I don't go to them because they're boring and stuff like that. But we are going to the morning class because it's a real estate class. It's interesting, and sometimes there's surprise quizzes, so I can't really miss the class. So we gotta head there, and we're gonna give a little revs in the parking lot, see if we can set off some alarms. I know it's childish as fuck and stuff like that, but I don't give up. Alright guys, so I just finished class right now. We're about to head out, and we're gonna rev the freak out of this thing. Try to get the car alarms to sound. Let's head out. Oh, I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna put the mic out here by the window so that it captures the sound better. Freak, I don't want to be rude too. There's people here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Wow, these cars actually handled good. Yo, that's just fucking loud and none of the cars are alarmed. That's absolutely crazy insane. Alright, let's head out and we're fucking gotta have this police here. Holy shit. What up? Alright guys, so we just got home. My buddy Luis is gonna come with his truck real soon to, you know, pack all the stuff up. But just a little recap right here. We got the wheels. This is the wheels. They've been here for quite a while now. Dude, they look nice. So we got the wheels here and all the tires. Hopefully you guys can see they're right here. Let me turn on the light. We got the tires here. These, I did it on my own with the white Sharpie permanent for tires specifically. I did it on myself. I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. Although controversial because the lettering is so small. It's so small. And not like the Toyo tires where you got fat letters all across. So these are kind of small. So I was kind of questioning like whether I should put them on. But then like I said, there's no risk. If I don't like this, I can always just, you know, spray paint with black or anything like that. Not a really big issue. But yeah, hopefully like look, here are the tires. And like I didn't mention this, but when I got the tires, I actually got two extra 75 tires. I got 2 tires. I don't know if they were supposed to come like that or something, but I was so shocked that I got 2 extra tires. And actually, I filmed on Instagram story. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram at BeDistinct_, go ahead. I post a lot of stuff there. My reaction to the 2 extra tires, I'm gonna roll it, just a little Snapchat video of my reaction. Moment of truth, guys. Where the tires fits? We don't know. We shall see. If not, well, there goes money down the drain.
It's okay. There's a lot of used ones.
There's a lot of. We could just put one of those wheels, those freaking chrome wheels. I need to replace these too.
Shocks?
Yeah. Gotta replace the shocks. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead, do it right now on Instagram. Go ahead. Go. But honestly, guys, I'm so excited, bro. Comment down below. Give me some feedback on what you guys think on the wheels once put on, like at the end of this video. But let me know. Oh my god, I'm excited. Actually, that doesn't make sense. How are you gonna let me know at this point of the video when the tires aren't even put on? That doesn't make any sense, actually. But I take that back. But anyways, guys, I'm super excited. I just feel like life always tests me, you know. There's always I feel like I have everything, but then there's always that one thing that life just goes, oh, you thought you had everything? Oh, let me prove you wrong. And then it's just all gonna go bad. But hopefully I made sure I did weeks of planning, so hopefully everything's here. Everything that needs to be installed is here, and we get the wheels installed, but later to be announced. There's a dog in the street and he's stopping the whole traffic, bro. Where's the little dog at? Like, look at that old woman over there trying to, but she ain't never, is that her dog?
I don't know.
We got a crowd show going on here, a dog show, international dog event here. There goes the dog all the way over there, you guys see it all over there. I'm surprised they haven't called the animal, what do you call it, animal control? Nice 350 there, coming by, swooping. Ooh. Well, guys, you guys already knew. This wouldn't have been a freaking YouTube video if shit didn't go the right way. I did tons of research from a guy who literally knew nothing about wheels. I did tons of research because I didn't want it to hit my freaking fender. I was gonna lower my car. I had to make sure it was gonna stick out that much. I had to do this, do that, lug nuts, all. I was literally a noob and I had to research everything, and I made sure 100%. I called numerous shops, I got stuff, finally got everything correct, just so the shop can send me the wrong damn wheel. The label on the wheel says the right measurements. The label on the box says the right measurements. Everything on the receipt says the right measurements. But the actual freaking wheel is the wrong actual measurement. And I didn't realize it until the guy I took it to told me, hey, this doesn't fit. This doesn't fit. Of course it doesn't fit, because this ain't the right motherfucking wheel. And now, you know, the rim from the middle and the back is like scratched up, because, you know, when you put in the tire, you know, it gets scratched and all this shit. And now I don't know if they're even gonna return it because it's scratched and mounted. But it's in my fucking fault. Every single label on the freaking thing, including on the wheel, is the right thing. Except the actual wheel is not the right damn measurement. But I've been calling. They answered me once. Told them to send them pictures. I did. They haven't responded back. And I don't even know. I have 3 motherfucking sizes in my car right now. 225 in the left one, the one that left stock. 245 in the front. 275 in the back, both sides. I don't know if I should even drive it like that. I feel like it's really bad. I did some quick research. I shouldn't be driving the car the way it is right now. So I don't know what to do, guys. I'm stressing out. I don't even want to go to school because I don't want to drive my car. And shit go wrong, man. Like I didn't want to make this damn YouTube video, yo. I wanted to make a YouTube video where my wheels are put on. I'm just showing it off to you guys and show you guys my freaking new rims, and just to get one damn wheel, yo. One wheel. And scared that I'm not even gonna be able to get a refund. So I don't know, y'all. I don't know, but I'll let you guys update it on another video and all this whole scandal. Make sure to get subscribed to get notified when I post an update and stuff like that. But right now, literally, guys, all you can really do is just comment and send me a freaking prayer that you're not going through this. That you're not going through this, because this is a mess. Especially for me, because I literally value my time and I value my money a lot. Like, I work hard for my money, so please don't waste it. Now I probably have to spend more money to ship the damn wheel. And especially if they don't refund me, even worse. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm pissed. I am freaking pissed, officially. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'm really sorry I had to make this video. I'm sorry for myself. I'll catch you guys next video, and peace out, guys.